save the unlucky chick, lying nearby with a broken neck. It faced predators like the cats and wolves, destined to evolve into the giant megabeasts of the future. These new competitors threaten the terror bird's very existence. Titanus as a species was in mortal danger. The reign of the terror birds lasted nearly 60 million years. They were top predators in South America and adventurous immigrants to the north. But their extinction is a complex puzzle that scientists are still trying to unravel. While the big birds were known to have roamed the earth millions of years ago,